This is a black leatherette recipe binder, and you can see it's got a kind of a gold foil stamp on the cover and kind of gold corners. Nice little details. This kind of leatherette style is really nice because it reduces. It's so much splash resistant, which is really nice. And you got a reference guide over here. You've got your recipe cards over here, and these are 4x6 recipe cards. We offer 5x7 cards as well. You'll see in here we've got some sheet protectors. Not a lot of sheet protectors, so if you're making a family cookbook, you might want to pick up some extra sheet protectors from us. Or if you're more of the recipe card type person, you'll want to get some extra recipe card dividers, or recipe card sleeves. Here are the dividers that come with the binder. Kind of a nice black pattern. And on the back here, you'll see this is an envelope for storing extra recipes before you've had a chance to organize them, or newspaper clippings and that sort of thing. Very handy. You can see this has a lot of room to grow. It's got one of those funny D-ring type shapes that makes it really easy to open and close and will last a long time. Here's the back, inside back cover, and here is the back cover. And you'll see on the spine, it's got that gold foil also stamped on there. Very nice binder.